In 1978, a dusty garage in Ohio was ordered to be demolished. But when workers broke the rusty lock on the wooden door, they stumbled upon a dark shad cotton blanket.
Ferrari 250 GTO, hidden under a thick cover, was a 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO, a masterpiece untouched for 30 long years. It was not just an old vehicle. It was one of the most valuable private treasures in automotive history. Only 36 units of this iconic model were ever crafted in Italy, making each one extremely rare today. Originally built for endurance events, it featured incredible engineering that dominated its era completely. Under the long hood was a magnificent 12-cylinder engine, designed to deliver breathtaking performance. Back in the 60s, you couldn't just buy this vehicle with money. You needed personal approval from the founder. So how did a multi-dollar masterpiece end up forgotten in an abandoned wooden barn for decades? The original owner bought it second-hand in the late 60s for just $6,000. After a minor mechanical issue, he parked it in his garage, intending to restore it the following month. Life got busy, decades passed by, and the car sat untouched in complete darkness, while its value skyrocketed. When the owner passed away, family members opened the garage door and discovered a gold mine.
Word quickly spread across the automotive world, attracting billionaires and high-end collectors.
The dusty vehicle was carefully rolled out, cleaned, and placed into a prestigious public auction. Bidding started in millions and rapidly climbed into uncharted territories within minutes.
The final hammer came down at $48 million, setting a world record for barn finds.
Today, this legendary machine resides in a private, climate-controlled underground vault.
Would you drive a $48 million car or store it safely? Comment below and subscribe to TrendMotoX.